Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 36. Find the gradient of the line passing through the point P. Now point P has the coordinates of 1, 1 and Q, which has the coordinates of 2, 5. Now A we have 4, B we have 2, C we have 3 and D we have 5. Now gradient M is given as y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now from the information given to us, x1 is equals to 1, y1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 2 and y2 equals to 5. So therefore gradient M is equals to 5 minus 1 all over 2 minus 1, and this is equals to 4 all over 1, which is equals to 4. So the gradient is 4, which is option A. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.